So today, as everybody knows, last day ng filing ng answer ng respondent vice president at nakamonitor din po ang buong prosecutors ng House of Representatives, no? As soon as we receive the answer from the vice president, we will be starting to prepare our reply, which is supposed to be filed within the non-extendable period of 5 days, no? So, sana matapos namin within the week para lahat ng responsive pleadings filed now with the impeachment court. So, after the receipt of the answer and subsequently of the reply, we will be looking forward to the conduct of pre-trial conference, no? Itong pre-trial conference na ito, this is supposed to simplify the presentation of evidence and witnesses which will happen during the trial. To be specific, kapag sinabi nating pre-trial conference, nagsasubmit tayo ng stipulation of facts and then we respond whether to admit or to deny the stipulation of the defense team. We also submit the list of the witnesses and we do the marking also of the exhibits, which will be very, very helpful to us considering that 3 out of 4 articles have voluminous documents to consider, no? Ano itong tatlong articles ng 4 articles of impeachment which entail a lot of documentary evidence. First and foremost is the confidential fund, second is the bribery, and third is the unexplained wealth, no? So, we look forward to attending the pre-trial conference which according to news report ay sa June 15 daw. And after this pre-trial conference, the initial date for trial, again, according to news report, will be on July 6, no? Ang apprehension lang po namin, the prosecution team, while we have these dates coming from news reports, actually, wala po tayong official notice about the schedule of pre-trial conference. We have no official information as a matter of fact whether papayagan ba o hindi itong pre-trial conference na ito. And even the first schedule of the trial, wala pa rin po tayong official na notice from the impeachment court. But we look forward that since the Senate already convened the impeachment court, we are positive na magtutuloy-tuloy ito. And in as far as the 11 prosecutors is concerned, kami po ay ready to appear before the impeachment court. As we have shared before, nagkaroon po ng assignment of articles of impeachment. Ito pong 4 articles are being led by one public prosecutor. Like for threat, our team leader is SDML Noy Defensor. For confidential fund, it's now Congressman Joel Chua. Because I yielded to all the team leaders, I will not be leading anymore an article of impeachment, no? For bribery, it is now Congressman Keith Flores, and for unexplained wealth, it is Congressman Terry Ridon. Hanggat hindi po natatapos ang presentation of evidence, please anticipate that there will be changes on the assignment of prosecutors, no? After all, ito po ay exclusive authority ng prosecution to decide on how we will present our evidence, who to present, what to present, and when to present them, no? So right now, full swing po ang aming preparation. We are reading a lot of materials where we have workshops and we do mock trials as well. This is as we approach the schedule, although unofficial, of the pre-trial conference as well as the trial, which will be on June 15 and July 6, respectively. For the 11 prosecutors, rest assured that we are ready to fulfill our mandate under the Constitution. That would be all for my opening statement.
May private prosecutors na po, Chair.
As I have said before, we have more than enough private prosecutors, only that we are not yet done finalizing as to who will be entering their appearance as private prosecutors and who will be working as part of our legal and research team, no? So, to your question, yes, we have in fact a huge number of private prosecutors. All of them are on a voluntary basis, and that is why we are grateful, we are thankful to all these private lawyers who are really offering help to the public prosecutors. Please bear with us as we cannot announce yet the list of our private prosecutors as we still continue to assess who will be joining the trial and who will be joining the preparation of the public prosecutors.
Ma'am, Ma'am, although wala pa po kayong formal notice whether it's July 6 na nga po yung trial proper, but there were calls po kasi na i-reconsider yung date, lalo't meron po ngayong kinreate na subcommittee on the flood control controversy ang Senado. Kumbaga baka daw po matakpan yung o mailihis daw po yung usapin ng impeachment.
May we know kung saan nanggagaling yung calls to reconsider the date of July 6?
I think one of the trial spokespersons, Tong Zia, parang nanawagan na i-reconsider man ako.
Well, my reaction to that is, let us remember that the mandate of the Constitution, that is to be forthwith, is not only with respect to convening the impeachment court. It says trial forthwith. In other words, by trial, we mean presentation of evidence, presentation of witnesses. If ever there will be changes to July 6, it should be earlier and not later. That is if our intention is to respond to the mandate of the Constitution, which says trial forthwith.
Okay. I'll let others ano na lang po do the follow up on impeachment.